Good afternoon. It's July 1st, 2025, about 12:46. They've got the main building done, and they're starting on this end, the two buildings. What's all that say? So the way it's looking, I have to walk over, but it looks like they're leaving the Strand, which is be that brick wall there. It backs into that, which Strand actually goes into that big building there too. Strand's the movie theater here in the front on 3 down. So they are actually getting rid of that white building, that one, and then a building next to it, I believe, maybe 2. It's gonna look so different. I'll walk down that way and show you. Zoom in one more time. I gotta get back. Anything interesting? Construction. Alright. Humidity is dropping right now as I speak. We've had a lot of rain. I'm walking back, but I will show you the next 2 or 3 buildings that are maybe I'll pause you and go across the street, you know? Alright, now you can see. You can see the top of the Strand, that continues all the way to that back part I showed you. So it looks like 3 more buildings in the front coming out too. Let's walk back. Best donuts in Indiana. At least they used to be. They're really expensive now. They've been here for nearly 100 years. Bohemian Farm Girl Market. We can't keep businesses any of this over here. They just come and go, come and go. Used to be an Osco drug in one of these stores. And now where this? Rupert from Survivor. He's got his place here for kids. I've met him a bunch of times. This used to be the Hub shoe store. Long time ago. There's a square circle, some people call it the JJ or whatever the hell they join it. There's no crosswalk light, and you get blocked, people can't see it from the sign. Thank you. Some people are nice. So, what's that? Transport sheriff was looking at me like crazy. Bears statue. That's looking north. We'll go back looking south. No way. No way, he's not supposed to be down here. How in the hell is he gonna do that? I think he might make it, I don't know. It's awful hard. I would not want to drive it. It's not made for semis anymore, that's why they did that. Looks like he did pretty good. I see a bump in him. So it's got to be like 7 till. The old Farmer's Bank. Oh, it stinks over here for some reason. Oh, then I got a good whiff of pizza. Oop. I smelled it like sewer gas, and then all of a sudden, pizza. And there's the Sandman's. 3 buildings on this side, 2 buildings over here, and then down the street, across the street, there's the some new and used cars, a detail shop. We own quite a bit. They've been trying to buy more, but we actually need a bigger lot. Oh, mercy. I messed my mower up last week. He's making a nest. I'm sorry. They live in these bushes. I hit a metal stake that held in a tiki torch, and it messed my brand new blades up. So I got new ones coming tomorrow. Work on that, hopefully. Change the belt. All that. Whew. That sun still is hot. Oh. Gotta walk this way anyway. Let's see if my sunflower opened up with this sun coming out. I think it might be a red one. I hope so. But if it is, I didn't have any giant mammoth reds. Of course, it's in a pot. So. Oh, Katie did. Katie did what? Hi, Katie did. Are you eating aphids? Cool. Shouldn't be many on there. Ooh. Alright, True Peace, Freedom, Loved All. I'll show it when it's at bloom. It's gonna have a bunch of them. Kinda looks like a bud. Peace out.